गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीबडी. सगळ्यांक देव बरो दीस तूं म्हणून आवडयता. आनी आयज एक बायल अरेस्ट जाल्या, तेजें नांव श्रुती प्रभुगांवकर. इतले दीस बीजेपी म्हणटाले की तेंचें कांयच कनेक्शन ना जॉब स्कॅमान आनी ती खंयच इन्वॉल्व ना. बीजेपी म्हणटाली इतले दीस. पूण आयज जी बायल अरेस्ट जाल्या, श्रुती प्रभुगांवकर, ती इंटेग्रल बीजेपी मनीस म्हणून आख्खो गोंया जाणो आनी कोण नोको तांकां सांगूंक सोदता आनी तांकां स्पश्ट करूंक सोदता की हाऊ इंटेग्रल शी इज टू द बीजेपी. ती आदी जावन आसली बीजेपी युवा मोर्चाची अध्यक्ष आनी इंटेग्रल मेंबर ऑफ द युवा मोर्चा. आता सद्या ती जावन आसा महिला मोर्चा ऑफ नुवें ची प्रभारी. She is the president of the Nuve Mahila Morcha. She is also the daughter of Keshav Prabhu's brother. Keshav Prabhu is currently the vice president of the BJP. Keshav Prabhuचे भावाचे चेडू ते. So she is connected deeply to the BJP and she has been arrested today and put under arrest for the job scam for allegedly taking 1.5 crore rupees from somebody to give out jobs. The interesting fact is that she is currently a member. She is not an ex-BJP Mahila president. She is currently the BJP Mahila president, Mahila Morcha chi Prabhari, Nuve constituency chi Prabhari thi. And as the Prabhari of Nuve constituency, she reports in directly to Sulakshana Sawant. Sulakshana Sawant, who is the Prabhari of the Goa Mahila Morcha. Everywhere on Facebook, Instagram, it says and states very clearly that she is the Prabhari. Sulakshana Sawant is the Prabhari of the Goa Mahila Morcha. And this lady, Shruti Prabhugaonkar, who is the Mahila Morcha president of Nuve, reports directly into the Mahila Morcha president, who is Sulakshana Sawant. What more connection do the people of Goa require to believe that the BJP is integral in this scam? आणि कांयच उरलेलें ना. इतलेच हांव आख्ख्या गोंयच्या लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता की आनीक कितलो व्हडलो कनेक्शन तुमकां जाव मानून घेवपाक की बीजेपी हो स्कॅम कोत्तालो, कोत्ता आनी कोत्तेले म्हणून. देव बरें करूं. थँक्यू.